Good morning, my dear students. Hydroxy compounds, alcohols. Exercises writing compounds from the given IUPAC name. Writing the compounds from the given IUPAC name. The first compound given is 2-methyl butane 2-all. The parent hydrocarbon is butane. But 4 carbon atom, all the carbon atoms are linked by a single bond. That is butane. 1, 2, 3. Second carbon containing 1 methyl and second carbon contain 1 all. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Second carbon contain 1 methyl. Here you have 1 CH3. Same second carbon containing 1 all OH. Finally, fill up the valency of carbon atom with hydrogen. Around carbon there is only 1 bond, therefore CH3. Here there is no bond, carbon valencies are filled. Around carbon atom there are 2 bonds, so remaining 2 hydrogen. Around carbon atom 1 bond, remaining 3 hydrogen. This is 2-methyl butane 2-all. Now write the second IUPAC name. 1-phenyl propane 2-all. Prop main chain 1, 2, 3. Give numbering 1, 2, 3. All the carbon atoms are linked by a single bond and second carbon atom 1 OH all. In the first carbon atom 1 phenyl, nothing but C6H5. Now fill the valencies of carbon atom. Carbon valency 4, around carbon atom there must be 4 bond, around this 2 bond. So remaining 2 are hydrogen CH2. Around this carbon atom 3 bond, remaining 1 hydrogen. Around this carbon atom only 1 bond CH3. This is 1-phenyl propane 2-all. Third compound 3,5 dimethyl hexane 1,3,5 triol. Parent hydrocarbon is hexane 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hexane. N indicate all the carbon atoms are linked by a single bond, and when you give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third and fifth carbon atom containing 2 methyl group. Third carbon CH3 and fifth carbon contain 2 methyl group. 1,3,5. First carbon 1 OH, third carbon 1 OH and fifth carbon 1 OH. Remaining we have to fill the valency of hydrogen atom. Around carbon atom there must be 4 bond, here 2 bond, therefore the remaining 2 are hydrogen. Here you have only 2 bond, therefore remaining 2 are hydrogen. All the carbon valencies are filled here. Here you have 2 hydrogen atom. All the carbon valencies are filled. Here you have CH3. This is 3,5 dimethyl hexane 1,3,5 triol. 2,3 dimethyl phenol. Phenol C6 H5OH. In the second, if this is first carbon atom 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In the second and third carbon atom 2 methyl CH3 and CH3. 2,3 dimethyl phenol. 2,3 diethyl phenol means same. Start with the phenol C6H5OH second carbon 1 ethyl C2H5, third carbon 1 ethyl, 2,3 diethyl phenol. Next compound is cyclohexyl methanol. Methanol CH3OH. One hydrogen atom of methanol is replaced by cyclohexyl group. This is where cyclohexyl methanol. 3 cyclohexyl pentane 3-ol. Pentane 5 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you give numbering from left to right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the carbon atoms are linked by a single bond. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the third carbon, 1 cyclohexyl. And in the same third carbon, 1 ol, OH. So others valency of hydrogen is filled by, valency of carbon is filled by hydrogen, CH2, CH3. 3 cyclohexyl, pentane, 3 ol. Cyclopend 3-ene 1 ol. Cyclopendene. Cyclopendene. This is cyclopentane. Now give numbering from any one of the carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first carbon, we have 1 ol, OHA. And in the third carbon, 1 ene. 1, 2, 3, 4. Between 3, 4, the lowest number is 3. That is the position of double bond. This is cyclopend 3-ene 1 ol. 3 chloromethyl pentane 1 ol. Pentane 5 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the first carbon, 1 OH. And in third carbon, 1 chloromethyl, nothing but CH2Cl, chloromethyl. Valency of hydrogens are filled CH2, CH2, CH, CH2, CH3. 3 chloro, methyl pentane 1 ol. Thank you for watching. This is a method of writing compound from the given IUPAC name. In the next video, we are going to discuss about the structure of alcoholic functional group. Thank you very much.